Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add yoga as your exercise in MyFitnessPal. So first of all guys, if you are using phones, go ahead and download this application through App Store if you are using iOS or Apple iPhones. If you are using like Android, you can just go to Google Play and download it from there. If you are using PC like me, you just go and open any kind of browsers and then go to myfitnesspal.com. Now, after that, they will ask you to create an account. So create one really quick, email, password, and then put the information about your body, like height, weight, and your goal and your state, so if you're active or not. Now, after we finish with this step, what you're gonna do is add yoga as an exercise. So what you're gonna do, click on add exercise from here, or click on exercises from here. So let's add an exercises from here. And basically, for example, let's click on add exercises. Here, basically, what you'll have to do is search for yoga if you have it. So, yoga. So, here is yoga. You can add it. How long? For example, you have been doing it for like 30 minutes, and they will give you the amount of calorie burn. So, add exercises. Just like so, I have added yoga as an exercise of my fitness pal. Of course, you can customize your own yoga exercise. So, for example, you go to exercises and create exercises. Here we can add, for example, yoga and how much you have been doing it. And here you can put the calories that you think or you counted by doing this yoga. So for example, let's say you have lost 80 calories burned. You can click here, add, and let me just rename it because it already exists. So yoga one, and let's click on add. And here it is in our list. So here is yoga one, and there is the yoga, the default one which comes with the application. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.